Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome again. May Allah bless you all with good health. Ameen. My dear students, as you know that my previous lesson was on vowels and consonants. And today we'll discuss some interesting facts about vowels and consonants. So here we go. First of all, I'll discuss some of the words that start with a vowel letter. For example, apricot, elephant, igloo, onion, urn. All these words start with a vowel letter, and all these letters produce a vowel sound. Dear kids, I said sound, so it means that sound is important. Now let me tell you an interesting fact about these vowels and consonants. Sometimes a vowel produces a consonant sound, and sometimes a consonant makes a vowel sound. Let's discuss some examples. First of all, we'll take letter J. Letter J is a vowel letter. Now look at these words. Uncle and umbrella. In uncle and umbrella, U is producing a sound. Uncle, umbrella. Now look at this word. Uniform, unicorn, unity. In uniform, unicorn and unity, U is producing J sound. J is a consonant sound. So it means here in uncle and umbrella, U is producing a sound. A is a vowel sound. But in these other three words, uniform, unicorn and unity, U is producing J sound. That is a consonant sound. Now let's discuss letter O. Octopus, orange, and object. In all these three words, O is producing O sound. Now look at the next examples. Once and one. In these two words, O is producing W sound, and in all other these words, O is producing O sound. Dear students, in the similar way, some of the consonants also produce a vowel sound. Here is letter H. House and hills. In house and hills, H is producing H sound. But in these two words, our and honest, H is producing O sound, and we can say that H is silent. So, in house, H sound, hills, H sound. But in our, O sound, and honest, O sound. Now we'll discuss letter Y. Dear students, in my previous lesson, I have discussed that there are 5 main vowels. This letter Y is sometimes called a special vowel. Why? Because most of the times it produces a vowel sound. Look at these words. Jou and yellow. In jou and yellow, Y is having J sound. Now look at these words. Baby and lazy. In baby and lazy, Y is producing E sound. Baby, lazy. E sound, E sound. Now look at the other two words. Sky and fly. In sky, Y is producing I sound, sky. And in fly again, it's producing I sound, fly. So, in jou and jello, Y is producing J sound, baby and lazy. E sound, sky and fly. I sound. I hope it's clear now. You have to keep in mind that sometimes a single letter can produce many sounds. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this topic and it was really interesting for you. Good luck. All the best. Allah Hafiz.